We will guide you through how to convert Illustrator file to Figma. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the application has finished loading, look at the left side of the welcome screen and click the Create New button. A document setup window will appear where you can adjust the size, units, and other settings according to your needs, or simply choose one of the available templates if you do not have any specific requirements. After selecting your preferred settings, click Create to open your new workspace. Create your artwork or open an existing Illustrator project that you want to convert for use in Figma. When your design is ready, move to the top menu bar, click File, then choose Save to store your project. Select the folder where you want to save the file, give it a suitable name if needed, and click Save. If another save confirmation window appears, click OK to complete the saving process. After your Illustrator project has been saved successfully, open your preferred web browser and search for Figma Illustrator Importer. In the search results, select the first official option, which will redirect you to the Figma website. On the plugin page, click the Try It button to start using the importer. If you do not see this option immediately, sign in to your Figma account first, then return to the plugin page. Once you are logged in, click the Run button to launch the Illustrator Importer plugin. A small plugin window will appear inside Figma. Locate your saved Illustrator project on your computer, then drag and drop the file directly into the Illustrator Importer window. The plugin will begin processing your file automatically. Depending on the complexity and size of your artwork, the import process may take a few moments to complete. Avoid closing the browser or interrupting the plugin while it is working. Once the import finishes, your Illustrator artwork will appear inside Figma as an editable project.